In this video, I'll show you how to find new Zircuit Memecoins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, once I've logged into Dexscreener, to be able to find the new memecoins, so you want to click on this new page, right? Once I've clicked on it, you'll see the memecoins that have been launched in a given period of time. So you can see in the past 24 hours, nothing has been launched here on Dexscreener, right? On the Zircuit chain. In the past 3 days, nothing as well. In the past 7 days, nothing as well. So if you click on these gainers, you'll be able to see the coins that are currently moving, right? Are gaining good volume. So this is basically how you can find new meme coins here on Zircuit blockchain. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next